she's gonna put in about 2 pumps of this Revlon Iron Guard. And it just ensures that we'll have a really sleek hairstyle. You're gonna start there. And then you're gonna clip up your hair. Less is best, and the lowest heat setting until you can work your way up into like a more advanced where you kind of know like what your hair can handle at that point. So the lowest heat setting is what I always recommend, because then you could get practice out of it and you would kind of be able to familiarize yourself with the tool and then use it to your advantage. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that small section and you're going to take it and you're gonna wrap it, and then you're gonna go slow. It's okay if it's like kind of tangled initially. You're just gonna go over it like maybe a few times. And then you're gonna turn it off, and then you're gonna just let it cool a little bit, and then you're gonna release it. And then you're gonna set it. Right? It's like super smooth. Make sure you have enough tension. Use perfect. She's a pro. I don't know why she needed me. And then you're gonna take that section back here and you're gonna bring it forward. Another arm workout. Smooth out the ends and then go back in. You want to let it cool and then just unravel it. I know for some this could get like tangled easily, so you don't really have to do that. I just like doing that because then it holds the shape a little bit better, especially if you want volume. And I like to frame the face, so I like to take it in, but you should always take it on the opposite, like outside of your hair, facing away, because that's also flattering for the face.
So perfect.
This is like the hair that you want, right? Like you wake up, look how fast that was. Don't you think when you're getting ready for school, 10 minutes?